All I can say is you guys should get a husband that picks out seeds for you, because he stopped at a greenhouse for me and I didn't even ask him. Came in with like this massive bag of goods plus all of these seeds. So I'm gonna show you what kind of seed varieties he got me. We already had a whole bunch, but we thought we would get more just because they've been selling out like crazy and it's kind of a freaky time. So without further ado, I will show you the seeds. I would definitely say this is the best type of grocery haul video because it's from a local greenhouse in Barhead, Alberta. Yeah, and they sell like produce as well as seeds and plants, and it's the most amazing greenhouse. So anyways, we got some peppers, baby tomatoes, a couple of different varieties. And these big suckers. How amazing do those look? And he got a ton of seeds. I haven't even looked at them all yet. But he got some beans, 2 different kinds, habaneros, sweet banana peppers, vegetable, spaghetti squash, some cucumbers, Italian blend salad, Swiss chard, sweet greens and reds, lettuce blends. So I had a couple different varieties of that. Ruby and emerald duet, container lettuce. Just a bunch of different lettuces. So we go through a lot of lettuce. Hey, Chad? Tons of lettuce. Pretty much all summer, all we eat is salads and meat off of our own farm. And yeah, that is the haul from the greenhouse. Look at these. Now that is a tomato. Delish. I hope you guys like that kind of haul video because it's the best kind. Straight from the farmer. Support your local farms, guys. We need you in times like this, and always. We've always been here. We're always producing. We're always providing the sustenance, but people are connecting with their local farms more than ever, and it is the best to see because we're here. We do it year round. We're here for you and your family all the time. This is just a photo box organizer that I use to organize all my seeds. You can see how perfect the seed packs fit into these. And then I just have them sorted by variety. I have a friend that actually sorts them by start dates, which works really well. Her name is Breanne from Birch Acres, and she does them by start dates. But I just have mine in varieties for right now, and it works really well so far. So I'm just gonna put all these new seeds away. This is us. This is the Backwoods Buffalo Ranch. Follow us on all things social media. That's our Instagram, our Facebook, and our website. And we will be there to fulfill all of your meat and egg needs. Thanks for following along, guys. We appreciate each and every single one of you.